been living on the Alabama Gulf Coast since 1990, and I love it. Look where I am. This beach is amazing. I love being a tourist in my own town. I'm Tinsley Myrick with RE/MAX of Orange Beach, and I have the honor of assisting clients with buying and selling homes and condos right here in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and Perdido Key. When you list your property with me, I immediately jump into action and having professional photos taken, creating email marketing, videos, and postcards, as well as regular social media posts. I'm a social media master. That means I expose your property both locally and nationally to get the most exposure as fast as possible. Education, preparation, knowledge, and experience is key. I will share my knowledge and experience with you of the unique intricacies of buying and selling along the Alabama Gulf Coast. I have a long list of satisfied clients to prove it. I understand business and I've been in it a long time. In addition to earning a marketing degree, I have 16 years real estate experience in this market. Before real estate, I earned 17 and a half years in the hotel and hospitality industry in marketing and sales, which by the way was great training ground for real estate. I genuinely enjoy getting to know my clients and I love what I do. My husband Scott and I, along with our team members, have literally sold thousands of condos and homes along the Gulf Coast. The sooner we meet, the sooner we can get the process started on your timeline when you're ready. I'm Tinsley Myrick, broker associate, RE/MAX of Orange Beach. Please give me a call, shoot me an email, or send me a text. Let's get together and talk. Hope to see you on this beach or in the water on my sailboat soon.